Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So although Microsoft has been slowly fixing the known issues for Windows 11 24H2, unfortunately there is another known issue to let you guys know about. Now, before we have a look at that, I did post a video a couple of days ago where I said if you're not being offered Windows 11 24H2, here's what's still blocking it, and I went through the existing known issues that Microsoft hadn't addressed. Go check that out if you'd like some more information. Now, the latest known issue that's been posted on the Known Issues Health Dashboard page, and this was updated yesterday on the 25th, Microsoft said that after installing Windows 11 24H2, all versions of AutoCAD 2022 might not open on some devices, and users have reported encountering an error when launching the application. And because of this, Microsoft has mentioned once again, to safeguard your update experience, it has applied a compatibility hold on devices with Autodesk AutoCAD 2022 installed. And it mentions that these devices will not be offered Windows 11 version 24H2 via the Windows Update page. So you won't get it offered through Windows Update. And all other versions of AutoCAD and AutoCAD LT are working as expected according to Microsoft, and they give us two examples. So the working versions are AutoCAD 2023, 2024, and 25, and those versions will not prevent devices from installing Windows 11 version 24H2. So it's only Autodesk AutoCAD 2022 that Microsoft has applied a compatibility hold against to prevent the update from rolling out via Windows Update. Now, Microsoft recommends that you do not attempt to manually update to Windows 11 24H2 using the Installation Assistant or the Media Creation tool until this issue has been resolved, and I do agree with that. If there is a compatibility hold on your device and you're not being offered the update, if the machine that's not been offered the update is your daily driver, don't try and force the update if it hasn't been made available using the Windows Update page, because I have upgraded my device for the purpose of this channel. I forced the update for the purpose of this channel, as you may well know by now, and I am having audio driver issues on a daily basis, which is giving me quite a big headache. So Microsoft does that for a reason. And the next steps are, Microsoft says it's working on a resolution and will provide more information when it is available. And obviously when that information becomes available, I will let you guys know. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.